For the US and China, a technology Cold War that's freezing over. When you hear the term Cold War, you don't think about China, you think about Russia. With the technology that we have today and the advancements that we have, China also has advancements, but we're not sharing each other's information. Companies have to go through all sorts of jumping through hoops just to be able to have a business there. China is repeatedly trying to acquire American businesses and organizations, and that raises espionage concerns as American businesses and the technological giants that we have here are trying to keep their secrets here and not fall into the hands of a foreign market. The Trump administration says it wants to level the playing field, dishing out to the Chinese companies the kind of treatment that American ones have been receiving in China for some time. In other words, he's wanting to make the Chinese government and the Chinese businesses have to jump through the same hoops that American businesses such as Apple, who had to open a server building in China just to hold the Chinese people's information, to Amazon, who had to sell their equipment to China in order to have their operations there. And then you have the newer applications such as Snapchat, which doesn't even try to open there anymore because the Chinese won't allow it. I just find it very interesting that each country is holding on to their technology advances so wholeheartedly when if they were to collaborate, we could even have more of a technology investment than we already do. China is just afraid of opening up the world to their population. They've been cut off for so long, they don't really know what the outside world is. They are cut off from the outside world and what's going on just as much as those in North Korea are. I'm going to post a link to this article in the description. It is a very good read and very interesting. There's a lot of useful information here. You find things that you didn't know or may not have known before, such as Cisco has partnered with Chinese firms to sell networking systems. Microsoft has also, in conjunction with the state companies closely tied to the Chinese military. Microsoft is in a lot of different things. Could there be some espionage going on there too? You don't really know. All right, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a good day, and God bless.